right now it start rain start far away. So right now me there na top falling. Rain down a Shabba farm, you know. Attack. Rain that start, you know. Around your hat. Welcome back to another video, beautiful viewers and subscribers. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. You don't know, so it's your girl DJ Dalby outside. I'm there with the team again. You don't know, Rada and Shabba style. Get the area clean and prepared on Shabba's farm once again. Yeah. Also from a go on location, I'm a lovely location. I go see more videos from the location. Yeah, so the water nice and pretty. Yeah, man. Love that little location. This is fireside right there. So Shabba cook yes all the while when he come a bush. So him have him fireside ready to go. Don't know. Yeah. Once again on Shabba's farm.
Soon up on Rada farm, yeah?
So we soon go up on Rada farm too.
Yeah. Let's look out. Oh, let's see.
Shabba get in there. Shabba get in some sticks. Yeah, man. Get ready to light up a fire. Lunch time.
Yeah.
Porridge for lunch today. Shabba, me like it, Remember to like up the video, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Like up the video. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Give thanks for this beautiful day. You know what I mean? Mother Nature at its best. Yeah, man. Yeah, that is it, Shabba style. Yeah, man. That is it. Other first.
But just remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. No thing go.
And there we have a bingo. Fireside. Wait, Shabba. The cover but look wettish. Shabba style. Get the fire active up.
Yo, I'm one ripe one.
It's one ripe one.
Yeah, man. Yeah, love it, dog. Yes, like Guinea, bro. Yeah, man.
Rather come,
Yeah,
so that's
people.
it. See what ripe one, you know?
It's the one, man. I'm test him out, you know, say, people know if they can eat them, but they can't eat. They come like, they taste like Guinea.
God, I know them sweet
Bossy
and
walk,
nice.
man. Take out the seed. Now you kind of fully over ripe. Fully over ripe, you know. People can't take it out there.
That is it.
I'm gonna leave it out. Look how you look. Anyone see tree? Anyone see tree some forest place? Anyone say them that? Yeah, live and direct.
That is it.
I hold it up by riverside, they say, no?
Fire light up, you know. Left hander. Get the fire light up, you know. Let me grow. Yeah. That tell you what you have to show. Alright, so we start to smoke, you know. Once you see smoke, What you did there?
How Shabba do the right banana them? One
You
time
right banana, Shabba?
one time I say what right banana, you know. The way I say bird they eat them off. I bird they eat them off, man.
You know? Picks up the Gongo Road.
You want the juice?
Yeah, man, I always want the coconut water, brother.
So where I put it now?
And that it a go in and I drink it.
You clean?
Yeah.
Make sure you know, so I will deal with cleanness. I will say cleanness. Okay.
That's right.
Okay. Yeah, man, so we get the coconut them ox out. You see me? No thing go. And when you have coconut if you don't go so, I rock your knife in it and go so. And fly off a shell fast. If you just go on and tackle it so, maybe I'll bust your finger. You see me? So, you don't know if you do it, do it a Jamaican style. So you go so whoops. Rock him in, choke him off of there. No. No problem no there. Don't try it at home. I want me to try it. Yeah, man. Rock him off. Like a coconut, I come back nice. The water nice, Dalby?
Yeah, man, water. Refreshing. It's not sweet, but it's refreshing.
Okay. I'll wash out the coconut them now. And we'll do it. Java style.
You know, so it's all about survival.
Mm-hmm.
It's a survival story. Remember to give the video a like.
So it does it today, I lap me arrest it and taste it. Mm.
Fire blazing, you know. Yeah, it's a rice pot, you know. So some rice porridge in idea. First, I go drink rice porridge, you know, first. All breadfruit they have or something out here.
Right, that'll be a forward. I think, go. Most of the farm pretty. Shabba style farm at the air. That'll be there forward. That'll be those members say the thing they didn't want to stay upon them. Yes, sir.
Porridge setting. Remember to like up the video. Big up to Zat Entertainment. You don't know, sponsor for today's video. Big up Zat Entertainment, Naughty. Big up yourself every time. Yo, him say, just make some porridge, Dalby. Yeah, man, just go and make some porridge. So, more porridge videos coming. So, big up Zat Entertainment again. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to sponsor a video, just reach out to him and sponsor a video and make you know we don't want on the menu. You know, it thing come down. Yeah, porridge you make right now. So, yeah, man. Rice porridge you make, yeah. Shabba tell you, say, rice porridge, see? Rice porridge you make. We don't soft like grato. That is it.
Pound the rice, come like bread when it slice.
But when I use a whole pound though.
Pound now. No, not pound now.
What you must say? Just I use a little bit. That would make a rice porridge, you know? Wash off the rice. Rather get the rice washed. Yeah. Shabba get the fire blazing over here so same way. Keep the fire blazing like that. Yeah man, fire look good and everything. I put in the rice here now. Yeah. Get in the rice in the pot. Yeah man. So we have make that go and cook. I them do it in a minute. I never cook rice porridge before, you know. Oh, I wilderness again. I want to something them see, you know. I tell you no what name today. Name Yoka. The name feed a Yoka. Well, me not sure if that I correct name feed, but growing up with my parents, them tell me say a Yoka name, and them
a joker.
Them say a Yoka tree that, and you see how when this dry, we always use this and make a wood fire, you know? Yeah. Blazing at the fire, you know. Yeah, man, I say a Yoka tree broke down over there and dry. Yeah. But can't reach a Yoka there now. Can't reach a one, I don't see no more. Oh, missy one, but ratted. Hey, it's a Yoka tree in the water there, no? I got water give it strength. The tree just a come to me, so. The tree a come to me. The tree a come to me. This is it. This is Yoka. Yeah, hopefully this not be no whole heap of ants, cause ants love them something, you know. See? Ants take up, ants step on that. Sweet and nice, my friend. Yeah man, this is Yoka. Do remember to like up the video, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. You don't know the thing come down. This is Yoka. Try to see if you can find a tree. Zoom in on the tree, make them see. I know enough country people know that tree still. I feel trees here. It feels nice. A banana just guys. Check out the porridge pot here now. Pot a bubble up here now. Stay tuned, don't move a muscle. Like up the video. Shabba style, I do little cleaning up on him farm. Clean out the banana rota. It's a banana or a plant. Plant. Alright. Yeah, man, I have to do little work when I come on the farm. Farming nice, you know. And every people I know say farming nice. Tell them say farming nice. And it good for know say you plant it and it come. Yeah man, it make it out. Yeah man, farm look good man. That is it. Yeah man. So a whole heap of plant and banana. So our next young plant here right I said to. Next year we have food for eat. Yeah man, our next young plant there right there so. Yeah. That is it man. Alright, so yeah, go ahead now and get coconut milk ready to go. Yeah. Alright. Yes, you love porridge.
Yo, come here, boy, baby. I'm a big man, I'm still love porridge.
That is it now. I love porridge too, you know.
I'm not a miscarriage. I'm not girl. You don't love no porridge, I had it.
Yes, I love the porridge. Alright.
Yeah. I follow you, I follow.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just a little to you know. Just a little to you.
So it goes. Wash off me. You know? The natural nature. Right?
Don't go at me. Is it rice porridge? Remember, viewers and subscribers, check out my porridge video. Them I don't know the jackfruit seed porridge. They're gonna check out the pumpkin porridge. They're gonna check out yeah man breadfruit porridge. Yeah, just click on the link. It's in the description and I put in the comment section so you can go and watch all of them porridge video. So you know say me love porridge. So you know where I that about Shabba style.
How much pound of sugar got that? Plus 150 $100.
I want to say a big shout out to Zat Entertainment. You don't know, say Zat Entertainment sponsored this video. Alright, so we are season up a pot. I don't know if I season up, if you say, you know.
Yeah, man, I season the pot, you know?
Yeah, season up
So
a
we
pot.
put some vanilla, you know, artificial.
The right word for yours, we are spice up the pot.
Alright.
Yeah, spice, we are spice up the porridge.
Spoon in the pot.
Alright,
You know, say pot hot.
3 kaka vanilla.
That twice.
Mm-hmm.
That third. Right now, I'm gonna fly like bird.
Alrighty. Shabba get the flour line up there, don't know, so we have to kind of get somebody. Mix out the flour for going at it. Mm-hmm. Stir it up.
Alright, now this is rose water. Right now, that's the porridge I'm going to get a son or a daughter. Believe no?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so I put a cork spoon in one
Yeah.
tip. Check it, nobody left it.
Yeah.
That tip look for salt.
Salt not going there already. Oh, you never put in. Oh.
No, yeah, I'm here doing the thing now. We have to
Alright.
look for salt now. All that about that,
Stir it.
so it's in a hurry. Don't like when you put the
Shabba mix out. Shabba mix out.
hurry.
Shabba mix out the flour around her, so. Yeah. Don't know. Flour if you mix up for going at it, you know?
Yeah, so it's in a hurry. Just like when you want to do the brown soup curry.
Mm-hmm. Story in a hurry, story in a hurry, story in a hurry, 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 hurry.
Okay, Shabba.
We are getting some flour. Yeah. So we do it there. Chickney, store it now in a hurry. It's when I with sugar in hand because it got my trash and sugar.
That body nice.
I mix
No
out
more
the
in this,
more.
Shabba. No more in it.
I put no more in there yet.
Yeah, wait, look at it first.
Are you my doctor?
No, about
Are you my doctor?
Look on it.
Are you my doctor, Shabba? Oh.
I'm not like that. I'm not like admit it. That's not no more in the
Nutmeg, did them man, look there, sir. I get in some nutmeg, you know. Rather eat some coconut trash and sugar. Yeah, man, a regular thing that for we, man. I don't know who no do this.
Get some nutmeg in the porridge, you know.
Yeah, man, I smell nutmeg already. I give you a closer look for the peas farm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. These them look good. Yeah, man. Actually, more peas, you know, saying? Big peas farm.
But remember that.
The cucumber, this is the cucumber. What bubble up you know? Yeah, see? It's ready you know? Yeah, ready this ready you know? Now we get to natural dish oil. Banana trash or some trash in our bush. Yeah. Get the pot off the fire now. We are sweeten up the porridge.
Yeah, all the get and wash off.
Alright, so me I go ahead now. Sweeten up the rice porridge for the first time. You know me I porridge boss lady for porridge. Yeah. Porridge boss lady. Yeah, so I have sugar. I don't know why salt is here. Anyways, get in some sugar. Now we porridge well spiced up already and thing. Alright, so I use little sugar and then I use some vanilla lasco. Don't shop a bashko. Yeah, right, bro. Very nice, bro. I get in some lasco.
And she no shop a basket. I like she it.
Yeah, don't shop a bashko. This is lasco. Alright, sweeten up. Mix out the lasco, you know. Rice porridge.
That'll be a dash you like porridge.
Which spicy porridge are that shit? Oh,
That'll be a dash you like porridge. Yeah. How that you taste it? I don't put them first tasty.
you want say I have feed it up with them too.
And maroon.
Yeah, me I'm around for two, you know.
That's why man.
Mm-hmm.
And a white rice again. Backside.
I tip in little more salt. Them say salt bring out the flavor. So me just get the bash them. Just wash them off, you know, say. Share away outside today in the nature. Share out the rice porridge now. Rice porridge. Rather frost this, you know. First one that Shabba style. Shabba style, same no eat nothing, you know. Porridge smell good. 3 leaf in iPad and each of we get one of the cinnamon leaf. Each of we get a cinnamon leaf. Acha. Banana trash, where you want go? In iPad? This is my one, you know. Alright, see my leaf, you know. My cinnamon leaf there. This is me, if you know. And them say, you don't feel left spoon in a porridge because you make it water. I kind of believe that still. Alright, so me I go straight ahead and bless the food right now. Father God, as we come to you today, this beautiful day, utter love and respect for this food that you have provided for us. We can't bring.
Forever and ever.
Alright, ready back again.
Oh.
Alright, so I bless the food them now. Little smoke a burn me in my eye, but anyway. Father, as we come to you today, we give thanks for this food that you have provided for us on this very beautiful day. Utter love and respect every time, forever and ever. Amen. Something can go, so?
Of course.
Alright, so check it out, you know. Nice. So I get a spoon now and huh?
Spoon the man there, so.
Oh, yeah man, just I get a spoon you know and go and drink my porridge nice and easy.
Rice porridge ready?
Yeah man, rice porridge ready. Brother, grab your one now. You know, so here one of the big one already.
On a favor like me. Let's see how it look. Hey. Check it out. Let it out.
Too much of me right, you know.
Mm-hmm. Got you back in. Aye.
Yes, I mean, we don't man no eat enough, you know. Me always want the biggest dish, but we no eat enough, you know.
Mm.
But for this rice porridge, I look like say, I go on about 3 of this.
I just show her back some.
Yeah, man, but
You're confused, man. You confused, you know, rather. Confused, you're afraid.
Let you rather eat bad. Let you guys eat bad.
Just sit down now.
Bad, man. Whether we are sweetening.
And look how much better, man. Yeah. Production, no?
If you want to go start, bad different.
Porridge nice. I have to visit the pot a second time. See? Me don't drink half that already, you know. Porridge nice at first. Me I drink rice porridge, you know. Yeah man, love it bad, 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 you know. I have to try it at home. Alright, in I bush with there. Find a spot and sit down back again. Around your hat. Remember to like up the video. Beautiful viewers and subscriber, like up the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Yeah. Don't drink the porridge and the rain decide to come down. So, you know, so we have to take what we sell, you know. Yeah. Pack up everything. Oh, we forgot to say, Shabba have a little hut. No, sir. I never see this coming. Rain, 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 power. Right now, it start rain, rain start power. So right now, me there na top falling. Rain down a Shabba farm, you know. Attack. Rain that start, you know. Rain set up on the farm. Smoke, my brother.
What? Who? Green to beers. Must be that very clean. The game to the
Mm-hmm. And to kill me right there, so that I'm rain easier now, so. I run, I know. Hey, rain just come down suddenly, power, so. Yeah, man, a Jaja blessing, man. Yeah, as we done it, and go on all a little vibe, so. Yeah, rain just come down. Take care of yourself. Just want to say big up to each and everyone who watch this video until the very end. Yeah, heart of love and respect every time. Come out of the bush, yeah. Rain catch trip on the adventure. Yeah. That is it, to reach out to the car, you know. Right off us, what go on?
You know, some boy rain come down, the sun is up and we come to soak. Man, I run with all the porridge. And it was hot.
Yeah.
Look at that, Wally. It was hot. Lipton tea bag, that Wally. That's not lefty. Nice. Ah.
How have we came, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, so we are on the way back to home. Little bit there. Shabba's tired. Me there, you know what I think,